Good morning, folks. We are out here in High Point, over here off of Ski Club Road, doing this beautiful home out here as the customer requested. All that mildew and dirt and grime all up on there. Yeah. Taking care of all of this. Got a little bit of solution down. Stay tuned before and after pictures. Thank you. Okay, folks, we on this side. Got a lot of mildew up in there. See if I can bring it in. There you go. We'll take care of all that. All that mildew stuff up in there. And get this side. Gonna work our way around. Got to do the driveway, the sidewalk. She getting the whole package deal. That's including the sidewalk, driveway, back patio. The stoop. So already did that side. So now we're going around. Stay tuned before and after picture. Get a little closer to it. I'm gonna pull all of it off. Stay tuned.